Hey, it's Olivia with Screencastify again. This time we'll be talking about facilitating parent communication. We've all been there. It's the beginning of the year and we all have a ton of information to share with parents, and understandably, they have a lot of questions. Wouldn't it be incredible if you could create a shared folder on your Google Drive where parents could have on-demand access to that information whenever they need it? Let's create one. You can start by clicking New in your Google Drive and making a new folder. Name it with Parent Communication in the title so that you'll always remember where to save the videos. You won't have to change anything about the way that you make videos with Screencastify. Still, just record how you normally would, because whenever you click Stop, it will automatically save your video to Google Drive and open it in a new tab. Once your video opens in a new tab, give it a new name that will make it easily searchable for parents and families. Right side of the screen is where our magic happens. We can click the drop-down Google Drive and change the permissions so that anyone with the link can view this file. We'll scroll down to View on Drive. When the video opens in a new window, click the three dots in the top right-hand corner, then choose Organize. A menu will pop up. At the top, it will tell you where the video is currently located. If you click Move this item, you can move the video into your parent communication folder. Navigate to your parent communication folder on your drive. When you're there, click Move Here. A window will pop up at the bottom left-hand corner telling you that your video has successfully been moved. Congratulations! Now you got a folder full of resources to share with parents and families.